Thank you for your interest in the Agreement Designer from Single Source Systems. The Agreement Designer is a module within the Single Source Productivity Tool product suite. The Single Source Productivity Tools are a collection of product extensions that enhance the user productivity within the Acumatica ERP product. My name is Marty Rhodes, and I'll be your host in presenting this short video providing an overview of the Agreement Designer. The Agreement Designer supports multiple document types within Acumatica. To enable a document type, click the Active box within the Productivity Tools Preferences form. Take a moment to review the supported document types for the Agreement Designer. Agreement sections are individual paragraphs of text that represent the body or the contractual language that you want reflected in your agreement. A section is composed of a description, which prints in the agreement as a paragraph title. A section also includes the body of the textual content related to the respective section. In addition to keyboard input in the section body, the Acumatica Rich Text Editor also allows for images or table layouts to be included. The person responsible for defining the section language will build a library of these individual sections, which will ultimately be assembled into an agreement template. These individual agreement sections can be built once and then reused in multiple templates. Once the agreement sections have been defined, the individual sections are assembled into agreement templates. Templates are specific to the Acumatica document for which it is to be associated, and you can have multiple templates for each document type. For example, you might have an over-the-counter sales order template with language reflecting your return policy, but you could also have a dropship sales order template that includes standard shipping and handling language for dropship orders. The agreement sections are sequenced within a template, and options can be enabled or disabled that affect the agreement output. After the agreement templates have been created, they are ready for use. When a user is ready to generate an agreement for a document, the user makes active the transactional screen in Acumatica, such as a sales order, or in the case of the example we're using, a change order. The user then clicks the Add Agreement button to instantiate a new agreement for the active document. After clicking the Add button, the user is presented with this screen. In this example, we're creating an agreement for change order reference number 000018. We have selected the template ID of type change order to be applied to this document. Upon selecting the template ID, all of the sections that were predefined and associated with the change order template will be copied into this agreement. At that point, the user responsible for maintaining this agreement can accept the default language for each section, or they can override the body content for each section and make it unique for this specific document and related transaction. The document can be previewed at any time prior to rendering the final version, and once the textual manipulation or amendments have been completed, the user clicks the Generate button to generate a unique agreement record. In this case, the new agreement is associated to the transaction document, change order number 18, and as a reminder, a Microsoft Word document is generated and saved as an attachment to this agreement record. Once you generate the agreement, it will return you to the active document. In this example, it's change order number 18. You'll notice under the Agreements tab, we now see the agreement record that was generated, agreement number 2 version 1, and it's associated with change order number 18. Here is the agreement output that was generated for the change order number 18 that we used in this example. It has a page header with embedded data. It has a header section with embedded data related to the change order. It has a collection of sections that defaulted in from the template. It has the price reflected in the change order line detail displayed in a table format on page 3. And then the remaining sections, also from the template, complete the definition of this transactional agreement. If you are interested in pricing and licensing options, or if you have specific questions about the functionality of the Agreement Designer or more about the single source productivity tools, you can contact us by sending an email to success@singlesrc.com. Again, thank you for your interest in the Agreement Designer and the productivity tools, and we look forward to hearing from you.